Just like I said, we think Philippine people is very friendly. Also, in Taiwan, we always say those beautiful scenery of Taiwan is the hospitality of Taiwan. So we invite all the Philippine friends come to Taiwan to enjoy the atmosphere, and also we have very good food and very good cultural event, and also have very good landscape for the people to visit Taiwan. So we just ask you, it's time, come to Taiwan.